Oscar Pistorious appearing inside the court for 10 minutes or so. Essentially, this was postponed until the 19th of August, the state saying they needed more time to investigate. Now, what does this mean? What are the implications of this for the trial as a whole? CNN's legal analyst is with me, Kelly Phelps. Just give me some sense of this. Is the state ready, and is this an indication of a case that perhaps is not as strong as initially thought?
The state is clearly not ready, or there is no other reason why they wouldn't have been ready to at least present charges today. This is very surprising considering the ferocity with which they came out of the gates at the bail stage, arguing planned and premeditated murder, to now be so equivocal at this stage in the proceedings.
The sense that they've lost confidence?
Certainly that they've lost confidence, or that they feel the need to be overly cautious because they realize that their case was heavily criticized at a prior stage of proceedings.
Okay, let's also talk about whether this is shabby or shambolic, or there are issues around the investigation. Photographs of the scene where Reva Steenkamp was killed, was shot, were released, leaked to the media last week. Now, this was brought up by the magistrate in court, issuing quite a severe warning, I think. What was your take of that?
Yes, I definitely got the impression that the magistrate was putting the media and the state authorities on watch in terms of their conduct with regard to the evidence involved in this case. And it's unlikely that this would result in a finding of an unfair trial at this stage, but clearly the judicial officer is taking this very seriously and issuing a warning to all of those involved.
And if some sort of contempt of court charge is put down, this could delay proceedings going forward?
It certainly would delay proceedings, yes. In my opinion, it would be unlikely to be successfully argued, but that doesn't mean it won't be argued nonetheless, and it would delay proceedings if it were brought up.
Absolutely. So this is justice, and the wheels of justice could turn very slowly with this case particularly, I suppose with any case.
Yes, I mean, essentially the more sub-issues, sideline issues that end up being raised in a specific trial, the longer that trial is going to take to reach fruition. And this appears to be the first in what may end up being many sideline issues that get raised along the way.